Still hot. Yep, I've got about 90% of the door cut out. I held off on finishing it up because I wanted to maintain the shape before I weld my straps on it and the hinges on it. And I went ahead and knocked out all these valves. I had 5 valves I had to cut out of this thing. It took me a little bit of time, but now I'm out of grinder wheels. I go get the grinder wheels. I'll get these all smoothed down nice and flush. And I've got some material I'm going to try and cut out roughly that same size. Seat it down in there and just plug them. So that's where we're at. Both doors cut open, and they seem to open and close okay. A little bit snug, that's fine with me. I guarantee you that's going to loosen up over time. But there it is. Nice tight fit, open and clean all the way around. I'll get the grinder and dress these edges up so I don't get cut on it. And we'll move to the next phase, which I think is going to be I got to cut this piece of pipe out, and I'll probably get started on cutting the hole for the firebox after that, and probably do some cleanup on the inside of it. But needless to say, that's quite a task. It may sound like a sissy, but I'll tell you what, that 1/4 inch plate's pretty tough to cut through, and you just got to take your time with it. I'm using a 7-inch grinder with 40 grit, I think it's 40 grit and 1/16 thickness, and it cuts a nice fine line, but you just got to take your time with it, because it will grab and they blow apart if you're not careful. So there we are.